Why do 90% of families struggle with meal planning? Get ready to make it a breeze with our 7-day healthy meal guide. Hey there, family chefs. Monday kicks off with oatmeal topped with berries and nuts for breakfast. Lunch, leftovers from Sunday's feast. For dinner, enjoy grilled chicken with roasted veggies. Tuesday, start with Greek yogurt, granola, and fruit. Lunch is a hearty salad, and dinner is lentil soup with whole grain bread. By Wednesday, scrambled eggs and toast wake you up. Leftovers fuel lunch, and salmon with asparagus wraps up the day. Thursday's smoothie, chicken salad sandwich, and stir-fry dinner keep things fresh. Friday brings whole grain pancakes for breakfast, more stir-fry for lunch, and veggie-packed pizza for dinner. Saturday's avocado toast, chicken quinoa salad, and homemade spaghetti are a hit. Sunday rounds off with a veggie omelet, leftovers, and roast chicken. Remember, plan ahead, involve the family, and keep it fun. Healthy eating can be simple and delicious. Enjoy!